Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Kelly here. Here I have Sam's Bead box for the month of April 2022 titled Secret Garden. And I am so ready to bust this baby open. Okay. So it says, while Rachel and I were visiting our grandparents at the end of March, there was a moment that stuck with me. We were taking a leisurely stroll when my grandma suddenly dashed over to purple flowers that were hanging over a neighbor's gate and enthusiastically exclaimed, "My gosh, look at these." We proceeded to mull over what they could be. The fragrant smell and distinct shape remind me of the wisteria that bloomed at home each year, turning our backyard bright purple and white with its petals. As we kept walking, I couldn't help but smile, thinking about the joy the flowers brought my grandma. It was a refreshing reminder for me to quite literally stop and smell the flowers and let myself get excited even over little things. For this month's box, Rachel and I drew inspiration from nature's beauty to create a floral dreamscape. We gathered a bouquet of Czech flowers and leaf shapes and a palette of rosy pink and shimmering purple contrasted with vitriol shine and emerald teals. Oh, that sounds pretty. Featured, you'll find a glorious full strand of rainbow fluorite, a springtime rice bead mix, tiara cast leaf components, and hand-cut labradorite brios. I hope the pieces you create feel light and joyful like spring. When you post a picture of the pieces you make in the Gems chat box, share what brings you into the magic of spring, and be sure to use the hashtag Sam's Beadbox April 2022 to enter the monthly drawing. Happy springtime, friends. Sam of Sam's Bead Shop. Okay, so here's this, and they did go to boxes because they're eco-friendly and they can be recycled. I do save all of my boxes from pretty much everything, and I reuse them. Ooh, we got a few little starbursts in here. So let me open up and we will get started. Okay, so I'm not going in any order because they are marked on each bag. So here we have Czech glass leaf Eden mix, 12.5 by 17 millimeter, 10-piece B grade. It says in perfect shape. Not really sure what that means. These look pretty to me. But they look really pretty. I could see maybe a teeny bit right there, but nothing bad at all. And the hole goes through the top right there. So they're very pretty. And the next one is Czech glass pebble chips and emerald teal, 2.5 by 5 millimeter, 75 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. These would make like great spacers. I use these a lot for spacer beads. You could mix them with metals too. You know, you could do a couple different metals and these. They're very pretty. And the next one is Czech glass fire polish faceted round cherry blossom AB 3 millimeter 50-piece strand. Oh, these are really pretty. Yeah, very nice strand of beads. Very pretty. And the next one is really pretty. Czech glass melon fuchsia wash purple 10 millimeter 15-piece strand. Oh, these are really pretty. Love, love, love these. These are very pretty. Nice holes. I love the uniqueness of these. I love melon beads. Just their shape and their texture and the way in the little grooves you can add another color to them. Very pretty. Here we have the house-made star rice bead mix in sweet springtime. 3 by 6 millimeter, 100 pieces. Oh, look at these pretty colors. So pretty. Like the champagne, dark blue, turquoise blue. That green just screams springtime. The little markings on them. Oop. The gold. So pretty. Next we have the Czech Glass Pressed Daisy in Blue Luster, 8mm, 25 pieces. Oh, this is really pretty. The hole runs right down the middle. Sam's beads are always such a great quality. Really like them. This is a Rainbow Fluorite Smooth Round 10mm 15-inch strand. I will say this is a lot of beads. Oh, sorry, my light went off there. I don't know what just happened. That was really weird. Now this is a really nice strand of beads. Very pretty. Holes are very well made. Really, really pretty. Next here we have a Czech Glass Table Cut Hibiscus Focal Blue Crystal Copper 21mm one piece. Oh, this is really pretty. This is really pretty. Czech Glass Table Cut beads are so pretty. And the hole's right there. This would be just like pretty for like just a minimalist choker, you know, and just have this dangling down in front. Maybe have some seed beads or some of those rice beads just kind of going off. Are these right here? Yeah, very pretty. Czech Glass Druck Round Pink Crystal AB 6mm 55 pieces. These are really pretty. I love the AB finish on them. Very pretty. You can see the shimmer through the, very well made, all even. Holes are really nice. Very pretty. These are Czech Glass Primrose Vitrol Trail 10mm 25 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. So they're that on one side, and then on the other. Very pretty. I love all the flowers. All the flowers this month. Definitely springtime. Although living here in Florida, we really don't go through. We still have our winter, but we don't really have some flowers for a while. But yes, very pretty. It's a Czech Glass Twist Barrel Spring Blue Mix 7x11mm 15 pieces. Oh, very pretty. Very pretty. The mix of the color makes them look like there's a lot of texture on them. Very pretty. Next is the Czech Glass Petal Aqua Rainbow Luster 7x8mm 25-piece strand. Oh, these are really cute. That little, they open up. They do, they're little petals. You can create something kind of cool with these. There's a lot to the imagination. I love the color in them. Very pretty. These are Czech Glass Bellflower Emerald Teal 6x8mm 30 pieces. Oh, these are pretty. Yeah, very pretty. Love this. And this is hand-cut labradorite faceted brio, 5x8, 7x11mm 5-piece strand. And it says, be sure to use a thin gauge wire. So yeah, these are really pretty. I just, in my videos, I've been working with Victory Gems and Beads, and they had sent me some labradorite. I did a couple videos with that. If you like labradorite, they have beautiful labradorite. And you can go back and look at the videos from them. Yeah, these are really pretty. Very pretty. Next is Czech Glass Daisy Spacers in Light Tanzanite Luster, 5mm, 100 pieces. These are very pretty. Like I said about those other beads, I said they, that's not really a bead. It looks kind of like it. There's a thing. These make great spacers too. You know, the hole is Let me see, is the hole in the middle there? Yeah, yeah, the hole's in the middle there. Very pretty. These are so pretty. We have Czech glass hibiscus blooming wisteria, 14 millimeter 5-piece set. So pretty. I love table cut Czech glass. They're so, I love the way the texture looks on them. The way they're not as shiny on the inside, and then on the outside they're so shiny. Yeah, beautiful. Here we have Czech glass leaf focal green teal rainbow luster, 16 by 25 millimeter 4-piece set. And the hole goes through the top there. You could put a jump ring through there. These could be a cute pair of dangle earrings if you want. Or lots of things you can do with these. Very pretty. And next is the tiara cast. Here we have the Heart Leaf Charm Antiqued Pewter, 15 by 17 millimeter, 2 pieces. Very pretty. See them on both sides. Oh, that with a little bit of a concave in there on one. Very pretty. If you could see that in the light. And next is a Grape Leaf Link Antiqued Pewter, 13 by 33 millimeter, 1 piece. So that's the back side. And that's the other side. And there's 2 holes. I mean, you could dangle stuff from there. That's really cool. I love when there's different holes in there because there's a lot of possibilities. You know, you could even like have it hanging from a necklace and then have something hanging down there. Lots of possibilities. Wow, here we have Czech glass center drilled flowers, lilac crystal AB, 16 millimeter, 8 pieces. These are beautiful. Wow, are they shiny. That's the back. That's the front. Wow, these are really, really pretty. So gorgeous. Absolutely beautiful. And here, last but not least, we have a rose quartz faceted oval focal, 25 by 35 millimeter, 1 piece. Very pretty. Hole runs right down the center there. Very pretty, very well made. No rough edges or anything. It's very pretty. I'm very happy with this month's box. Very happy. Loving, loving, loving everything. So I can't wait to get started. Like I had said in my last video, my husband and I were in Vegas for 5 days on vacation. Well, not for him. He was working. I was on vacation. Then when he came home, we were both sick. So I'm still getting over a little bit of a head cold. But I haven't been able to talk for the last couple days really to make videos. So I feel like I'm more back to normal now. My voice isn't like nails on a chalkboard. So I can't wait to get started with this. I've been out of my bead room for almost 2 weeks. It's been sad. So thank you for tuning into my channel. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up for this video so I know you like it. And also subscribe and hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. And let me know in the comments if you get Sam's Bead Box. And if you do, what you thought of this month's Secret Garden. And you can follow me below on Etsy, Facebook, and Instagram. All my links are below. And I hope you enjoyed this video. And I look forward to making a lot more videos. I'm going to be really busy in my room. So stay tuned for lots to come. So thank you again and see you soon in my next video. And I hope you all have a great, blessed day.